2. What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel we just learn as we go. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be cutting up one of the previous videos into 3 videos to make it short, sweet, right to the point. So if you guys need to know how to do your suspension, make sure you check out this series. Today we're going to be doing the tie rods on 2011 Mustang GT, but generally it's the same thing on every car. So hopefully you guys will learn alongside me. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, how did I do? And also let me know if you guys want to see any other type of how-tos. Let's hop into this right now. Alright guys, what we're going to be doing now is taking care of the tie rod. So I'm going to toss this to get these off. So we got to get these lug nuts off. The steering wheel has a little bit of play in it. So hoping that once we replace the tie rods we'll be good. So we got a couple nuts in here. We're going to spray them up with some penetrant. 22 millimeter. So we got an 18 mil. See if we can just use this with the impact, make this super easy. That came off really easy. And then there's this part in here. So we got this part, we're just gonna hit that with a hammer and it should break free. So a couple good whacks, comes right out. So I would say that this thing is definitely worn out. It's supposed to stay in position. You can see it just goes right back. So, good thing we're replacing it. And when you're taking this off, you want to make sure that you count the amount of threads that you do. We want to make sure that we count the turns that we do. One, 22, so 22 turns. We gotta see about getting this inner one off. There's a little blue boot over it, so we had to take that off. And now we'll be able to get our tie rod removal tool over it, and it should come right off. I don't really know what to make of this blue thing. I guess it's like a sealer. One, 2, 3. 22. Take our nut, and we put it back on top. And then we should be able to just torque this on nice and easy with this. So let's just get some clamps on here. That's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. Short, sweet, to the point. Did the tie rod, showed you guys how to do it. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, throw in the comments, how did I do? And also make sure that you guys turn on those post notifications. That helps me a lot. Follow me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. And just understand that DIY and doing this is not really that hard. You guys can do it. Just try to pick up a wrench, buy a car, learn as you go, try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.